This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the Property Usage Category Detail Master Data Template in the Property Tax module. Usage Category Detail offers a more detailed classification of property usage. This data item captures specific use of the property such as hotel, shops, community center, etc. Download the data template to configure the Usage Category Major Master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 9 data columns. Provide a unique code for each type of property usage in the Usage Category Detail Code data column. Map this code to the applicable usage category sub-minor code. Now, enter the usage category detail description in English. Enter the local language description for the usage category detail. Enter the applicable exemption rate for the listed category in percentage. Enter the flat exemption amount. Enter the maximum exemption amount. And finally, enter the effective date from which the rates are applicable. Update the information for each column. Columns marked with a star are mandatory. Make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for usage category detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of usage category detail. Thank you.